Good morning, viewers. Welcome to the annual sports of Auxiliary Girls School, and I will take you for a tour of the different groups we have here. So here they are all lined up. So you can see all are lined up. Yeah. So and you can see all the houses there in the gallery. And okay, let's find out. Okay, so this is which group? Which group? Oh my God. Okay, so which group we have here? Which group we have? This is class 10. Hello, class 10. She eagerly wants to come to in the camera.
Yes.
And we have greenhouse here. Hello, greenhouse. And we have yellow house here. Hello, yellow house. And leading the parade is NCC. नहीं. Coming to the stage. Oh my God, we are all ready. Oh my God, Red House, make some noise. Only this much. Only this much, Red House. Red House, only this much. Blue House here, Blue House. Oh my God. Come on, Blue House. And we have greenhouse here. Greenhouse, come on. Oh, very low Josh.
Hey, very low Josh. Wait. Greenhouse.
Yes.
We fly high.
Oh my God.
Oh.
And we have yellow house here. Yellow house, make some noise. It should reach up to the stage. Come on. Shout. And we have our band ready to welcome our guest.